Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Vera Bradley Cotton Large Travel Duffel Bag in the stunning Paradise Coral. This bag is crafted from machine washable recycled cotton, offering the comfort, softness, and vibrant colors you love while being eco-friendly. Designed to make your travels a breeze, it features a 15-inch strap drop and a 53-inch removable, adjustable strap, allowing you to carry it comfortably in your hand or over your shoulder, with a secure top zip closure to keep your belongings safe. Packing is a stylish affair with its spacious interior, complete with 3 elastic mesh pockets perfect for organizing cosmetics, hair products, jewelry, and toiletries. On the exterior, you'll find 1 zip pocket and 3 slip pockets, ideal for keeping essentials like wallets, boarding passes, and snacks within easy reach and securely fastened. This stylish, lightweight duffel measures 12 inches high, 22 inches wide, and 12 inches deep, making it the perfect carry-on compliant travel companion for your next adventure. Whether you're heading on a weekend getaway or a longer journey, the Vera Bradley Large Travel Duffel Bag ensures you travel in style and convenience. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.